extinguish the fire on deck number 5, but we still have a lot of smoke in the area. Please follow information from the crew and be evacuated to outside assembly station for your own safety.
Dames en heren, dit is de omroep van de kapitein in het Nederlands. Het vuur is nu geblust, maar er is nog steeds rook. Ik herhaal het. Het vuur is geblust, maar er is nog steeds gevaar in het gebied. Dus volg de instructies van de bemanning op.
There's a fire on board and we have to evacuate a room. I'll show you here. Look, there's fire.
Stop! This is not dog!
This is a safety announcement from the bridge. The situation has occurred where we need the help of the doctor. If there's a medical doctor on board, please kindly ask that the doctor next to the ring.
Let's go here.
Ladies and gentlemen, your captain once again with an update of the situation. As I mentioned before, then of course the fire is extinguished for approximately half an hour ago, and we have also sealed the area so there is no potential risk for the safety on board. What we do now is that we assess the situation, and we have also a couple of slightly injured passengers. We have announced for Humber Coast Guard and the UK Rescue Services that we have had a fire on board, and at the moment there is a helicopter on its way out to us to evacuate passengers and some of our crew members. I'll keep you updated soon